Hello everyone out there in YouTube land. Like and follow. So, I own Bart. Bart is a 2010 Honda Shadow Phantom. I really enjoy my little jaunts about town riding Bart, but if I am out on Bart for more than about a half an hour, oh, my tuchus gets very, very sore. So, I got the Mustang 76 161. I was going to order this from a company called Dennis Kirk, but they were sold out. Also, if you go to Amazon, I ordered this from Amazon because the place I wanted to get it was sold out. They will tell you that this does not fit the Shadow Phantom, but if you go on to the Mustang Seats website, they will tell you that it does fit. I feel like it's very important to be very careful with the knife, because obviously it is indeed a seat. Looks like they pack it very nicely. Although, the box is pretty banged up. Amazon promised me a 2-day delivery, and then I watched the tracking, and it just sat all weekend nearby the house. It's very frustrating. For the filming of this video, I'm actually using the welding table today, not the table saw, believe it or not. So, I always save boxes because, well, that's what I do. Put a little cardboard on top of here because I've actually used the table for welding. Ooh, zip, zip, zip tie. So it comes fairly nicely packaged. You got your plastic bag and all that. This is your passenger seat. Oh, that's nice. This is your new driver's saddle. Got the Mustang emblem up there where the junk goes. It's got a nice molded framework to it. It's a Mustang, so it's made here in the States with a 1-year warranty. Nice. Now, there aren't a lot of videos that I could find doing the swap out of this seat on the Phantom. So I'll try and be very comprehensive. Now, I've read where the Mustang changes your seating position a bit. As you can see, I've got the stock seat on now. It is a nice wide seat, but like I said, you ride this thing for myself more than about a half an hour, and the tuchus, or the posterior, boy, it's not good. So here we are. This is how it sits now. I happen to really like the look of how the stock Honda seat looks. I know people have said there's places these can be sent and reworked, and where those places are, I don't know. I bet you could find them though. I have decided though, we're going to swap out the Mustang and we'll see what happens. Let me gather up some tools. I'm going to, for the demonstration video, I'm going to take the luggage rack off so that won't be a distraction when we're removing and installing, and we'll try and get our focus right here on the seat. So here we find ourselves at the rear of the bike. There's just a chrome 10mm here. Take that off like so. It's got a little shoulder on it. It's kind of snazzy looking. We'll set that off to the side to start with here on our work table so it does not get misplaced. We've got our 10mm out. Now 6mm Allen on both sides. Quick spin these guys out. Hopefully you get a good look at those. Set those off on the work table. Now to remove the seat, just grab it here, work it out, and viola. If you've owned your motorcycle for a while, you've probably done that. This is where you got an owner's manual. Look at that script on there. Phantom. Ooh. I feel like I should be hiring the ghost of Vincent Price to do the voiceover on this one. What a wonderful man he was. And this is what we've got for our seat, the Honda seat. It's nicely constructed. I always liked the stitching and the strap, but it's just not as comfortable. Ooh, dusty. Now in the instructions, if you do want to use your passenger seat, you've got your tab here and a little spot, and you just wiggle that guy in there. Initially, I will mount it complete, but I would like to ride with just the solo seat. Okay. She's kind of squirrely, so okay. Took a little wiggling and jiggling, but we got it there. This is our chrome 10. There we go. Forward. Here we are again on the side. Now with everything started, we'll get them snugged up. And the 10. And this is what we look like with the passenger seat on. Here is the seat without the passenger extra business. Put the luggage rack back on now. Ran into town to my local runnings and got some better fasteners for that. It's a little more solid now. Definitely a touch higher, and I feel a little more forward, but I can feel, because of the shape of this, I think it's going to be a little bit better support for the tuchus. There's a lot of very good reviews for this Mustang seat. I should go put my riding boots on, take it out for a spin. Thank you very much for watching.